Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a temp report for Nathan in Texas on the new Ranger RCI 99M4. Nathan, got your radio, bud? As you know, this radio supports 4 2879 transistors in the amplifier section. Let's see what we got for the workout. 250 watt slug, RF power all the way down. Just a hair under 25 all the way down. Roll it up. 125 all the way up. Show you average power swing. Hello, 2 1/4 bird. 500 watt slug PEP. Hello, 1 2 3 4 5. Every bit of 500 watts. I'm gonna take and I'm gonna roll the carrier all the way down. Show you that the peak numbers there are still there. Audio 1 2 3 4 5. Go over here to sideband. Hello, 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5. Around 450 on sideband. Okay, Nathan. Another one out the door, headed your way from your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bum bum.